I think getting views right now, most especially on the long form videos and sometimes short form videos, for YouTube creators, I think it's becoming very difficult right now. Because I take a look at some other creators who has already established their history on this YouTube app, who has already generated lots of subscribers, lots of views. But when I take a look at some of their latest recent videos, most especially the long form videos, they barely get 10,000 views, even though after having like 500k subscribers. I think this thing is becoming alarming right now. And to get views on long form videos, I think we need to start listening to one thing right now on our YouTube studio. Yes. So anytime I actually want to make a videos right now, I think I listening to my YouTube analytic, because I think it is very important to make videos on what the viewers are willing to watch. Because nowadays I think YouTube, what it actually does is that it only suggests the content that viewers are willing to watch. And if you just make a content that people are not searching for, I think uh your long form videos will actually struggle, even though the same thing with short form videos. So how can you do this? Anytime I actually want to make videos right now, what I did was that I just go to my YouTube studio and check under analytic, check under trend. So this trend, what it actually does is that I think every let me say 12 hours, it usually updates. It usually bring out what people are exploring, what people are currently searching for. And this YouTube analytic equally, rank the volume of people who are currently searching that kind of content. So I think what I actually want you to be doing right now is that just start making content on what your analytic actually suggested for you. The kind of keyword people are searching for, just make content on them. And this is how you can generate view. But making content on only this thing and just publishing it on your channel, I think it is not only going to help, except you start improving one thing. I make a video, long form videos. Some will perform very well, and others will equally perform woefully. So what actually happens? And I compare the two videos. What actually happens is that when I created the thumbnail, the one that actually generates a lot of views, what actually happens is that the thumbnail, I add some caption that actually attracts people. Yes, that can actually easily make people to click on the video. Because what I did was that I just add, I only add, do this before you upload your videos, or let me say, do this before you upload. So viewers, what actually happen is that they want to know what they need to do before they upload videos. So that videos is generating views right now, and it is a long form videos. So I believe that if you improve your thumbnail, most especially the caption, when it is short and it actually command the viewers to do something, I think the viewers, any viewers that actually see that kind of content, they will likely click on the video. They will likely click it when the caption actually commands them to do something. They will likely click it. So it depends on any channel, no matter which niche you are currently making content on. Just make sure you improve your thumbnail. Yes, add something that will command the viewers. The same thing with the title. Ensure that the title and the thumbnail actually appreciate each other. Not what you write on the title should be what you will write on the thumbnail. No. And what I did while titling my video is that I make it very short, and let me say at least 60 characters. So I ensure that the viewers are able to read it completely, and something that will actually command them to do something. So I think right now you need to start adding something that will command your viewers to click on your videos. So it's very important, and you need to start checking how you are uploading your videos. Maybe whenever you uploaded your videos, I think you, even though you don't even get to set some other settings under your YouTube studio, but still yet you are generating lots of views. But since you are not generating lot of views anymore, I think you need to start checking this kind of settings. Most especially anytime you uploaded your videos right now, check allow embedding. Allow embedding. This thing actually make your content to appear on an external site. Yes, because you cannot only depend on the YouTube search to generate view. You can equally let your videos to be viewed under external sites like blog, like forum, and also like Google, all those kind of websites, or let me say Yahoo search. All these places, YouTube videos actually appears there. So I think you need to allow this embedding. And anytime you uploaded your videos, just check under license and distribution. You will see more. Just tick the allow embedding. So this is another way you can actually mix the YouTube algorithm, to recommend your content on another place. And do not forget, if your content is not under category, categorize your content based on one side. Yes, categorize it. It's quite very, very important. So these are some of the ways you can easily start improving your video upload, and you can start generating view on your long form videos. It's very, very important. So I think with this little step I've shown you today, I think if you can actually improve on it and continue to check your uploading procedure, whether it is correct or it is not correct, I think you can easily continue to improve your content and improve your video uploading. And this is how you can easily start getting views on your long form video. So if you find this video very helpful, I hope you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching the video. See you next time. See you in the next upload. Thank you guys.
Yeah.